Hey guys, it's Tracy and Aaron here.
Hi.
We are in New Orleans and we are today on Frenchmen Street.
Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite places in the whole wide world.
So we're going to show you around this place. My first time, Tracy's second.
This is in New Orleans. This is where the locals come. And this is just like 3 blocks full of music.
So let's
It's
show you around
amazing.
here.
Okay.
So I don't know what end of the street. We're just going to go from one end to the other. Kind of show you around. Sorry, man. Lots of jazz bands, right?
Yep.
So this is a place that mainly locals know about, but not too many. It's not the touristy type of place.
No. But any kind of music you want, like jazz.
Yeah.
Just sounds like
Got a little band playing in there. Oh, the 3090 Club. I don't know what that's called. Favela Chic. It's another Willie's and Chicken Shack. Yeah, this is a very lively place. Oh, this.
We
Yeah.
went in there at like 1 a.m. one time and had the best chili fries.
Oh yeah.
And then remember when I told you that we were waiting for the Uber?
Yeah.
And that street band just popped up. It was right on this corner. We were just dancing right there.
Oh, that's cool.
It was awesome. Just wait as it gets darker.
Yeah, it's be fun. Frenchmen Street Art and Blues. Yeah, that's it. I got the, what's that called? The Spoiled Cat Magic Club. Oh, that's cool. What's that? Yeah, it looks like a lot of stuff is closed since COVID. This is Jazz Bistro. So obviously this place is not as big as Bourbon Street, but it's still very popular. Lots to do here. Probably across the street. Oh, look at that big old park.
Yeah.
The Merengue Brazier Bar. Brazier Bar. So what would you call this? We're in a little artsy little
It's like a little art craft.
pop-up type
Yeah.
thing off of Frenchmen
Yep.
Street. Yeah, lots of cool things here. Little pictures of dogs, jewelry, paintings.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's fine. So this isn't very big.
It's awesome.
But they have like, what, 10, 15 booths. Mainly of like arts and stuff like that. Very cool. But we thought we'd come in here before they close, which I think will be here
Shortly,
a little shortly. So just kind of show you what they have. That's cool.
Hold on. We've been there 50 years.
Doesn't matter. You saw a lot of stuff online as well.
So we're on the other side of the street. It's getting a little more crazy.
Maybe there's not. Maybe we can go in there.
Cafe Negro. Okay, so we just left Cafe Negril. That was awesome. Cool jazz band.
Oh, yeah. Reggae.
Band.
Yeah.
I don't know. It kind of sounded jazzy to me, but you're right. It was really reggae, but it's obviously a little bit later in tonight, so it's getting it's even wilder and busier. I'll show you here in just a second. We're at this place again. Yeah, it's great. It's obviously a lot busier than it was.
Yeah. You can see people are dancing in the street.
Oh yeah, they're dancing in the street.
Wherever.
And again, this is Frenchmen Street. This is not Bourbon Street. This is
That's where the locals hang out.
yeah, it's kind of more of a local place. It's not nearly as big as Bourbon Street, meaning how far it stretches long. It's probably not even a quarter.
It's like 2 blocks.
Yeah, Frenchmen Street is only like 2 blocks. So yeah, I mean, they obviously have bars and stuff to drink at, but yeah, I mean, if you're gonna do for more of a partier place, go to Bourbon Street. But I mean,
This is just good music and
this is
good
cool.
people.
This is very, yeah, it's just
Very
good.
Louisiana.
Yeah, very-
Very New Orleans.
good live bands and places, good places to eat. Very cool. So yeah, we'll show you more places here. Sorry. Okay, so we're back out in the street, and now with some street performers. It's really cool. I'll show it to you here. there. Just
Yeah, a little street
got a
band.
street band. Just random.
That's the best thing about this place. Is the street bands.
So yeah, now we're just gonna look for something to eat. And yeah, we'll
Snacky, a nighttime snacky.
do like a little snacky. Then
I want beignets.
then we'll kind of keep looking around and continue on. So yeah, this is actually Frenchmen Street at night. Not quite as crazy as Bourbon Street, but still pretty busy.
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
I think this road is closed off. You can go down it. No, I guess I take that back.
No, it's not.
There's a car coming down it. It's not like Bourbon Street where they close it off. All right, so we just left. Was it Chicken Willie's Chicken Shack? Had some food there. It was really good. First time we've been there. It was pretty good. Saw a few different bands here on Frenchmen Street. It was really good. So yeah, we've been here, God, about 3 or 4 hours. I think we're gonna call it a night here. It's been really fun. This has been a great place to come.
Yeah,
We'll definitely be back here.
Oh yeah.
So just kind of curious what you guys have to think. You can leave some comments below if you have any questions. But otherwise, hey guys, thank you for watching.